very knee fan. It's very small.
I know.
It's a Hampton Bay fan.
I know, it's too small.
Yeah.
It's only how many hands? 4 hands only.
Yeah. I know, it's very tiny. How is he doing?
That's okay. He just only told me that he's not coming from the stomach when you just try to cough.
Oh yeah.
And then it's like it came out.
Oh.
You
I
know?
see.
I think because of the phlegm. It's not about the
Oh
stomach
yeah.
thing. You know, if you have a lot of phlegm in your
Yeah.
throat,
Yeah.
you got a plugged nose.
Oh.
His nose is really stuffed.
Yeah.
He got stuffed nose. So.
I see. Yeah. That happens a lot sometimes.
That's my son. Like, you know, when he got like colds or cough, he always like drying up because of the phlegm.
Oh yeah.
Cough it out.
Yeah. Oh, I get ya. It's very dirty.
Huh?
The beds are very dirty.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, I've seen those. I thought it was like it's. There's a lot of like a small.
Yeah.
Maybe there's bug bites. Bed bugs.
Yeah.
Bed bugs right here, huh?
Yeah.